Hello, I am Sunil Singh and now I am going to discuss you on production and process control. So now objective, principle and general requirement. The objective of production and process control is to ensure consistency of production activities by following established procedure, and the objective is to ensure consistency of finished products quality and safety in accordance to specification, and the objective is to ensure traceability of production activities with good documentation practices. Objective is to avoid risk of contamination, cross contamination and mix ups during production and storage of the material, and objective is to avoid error deviation in production operations. The principles I will discuss here now. The principles for production and process control is the processes used in production shall be capable of yielding finished product which conform to their specifications. This is the basic principle for this. The next one is the defined manufacturing procedures are necessary to ensure that production, quality control and other relevant personnel are instructed on the detail of the respective processes. Now the general requirement, competent person. Production shall be performed and supervised by competent persons. Competent means they must be trained, they must be qualified on that particular operation. Handling of material and products such as receipt and quarantine, sampling, storage, labeling, dispensing, processing, packaging and distribution. Written procedure and records. All operations shall be in accordance with written procedures and recorded when performed. The next general requirement is the control and check on incoming materials. All incoming materials shall be checked to ensure that the consignment corresponds to their order. Containers shall be cleaned where necessary and labeled with the prescribed data and informations. Yield and reconciliation. Checks on yield and reconciliation of quantities shall be carried out to ensure that there are no discrepancies outside defined and acceptable limit. Prevent the risk of cross contamination. The operations on different products shall not be carried out simultaneously or consecutively in the same room to prevent the risk of cross contamination until appropriate measures has been taken. Microbial contaminations, the protection from microbial and other contaminants at every stage of processing. At every stage of processing, products and materials shall be protected from microbial and other contamination, cross contamination. Any treatment used to reduce fungal or microbial contamination or any other infestation shall be documented. Labeling requirements. This requirements of labeling of all material, bulk container, major equipment, room, wherever there is a status, it should be labeled.